Hello, welcome to my channel, Learning English Academy. Today we'll be talking about phrasal verbs. For example, and instead of saying she cared for the baby, we could say she looked after the baby. And instead of saying he rejected the job offer, we can say he turned down the offer. They removed their shoes. They took off their shoes. I investigated the problem. I looked into the problem. We had no milk. We ran out of milk. So let's review. Care for, look after. Reject, turn down. Remove, take off. Investigate, look into. Have nothing left, run out of.